Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this video discuss about how to delete the first node of singly linked list. Suppose we have a singly linked list like this that has element A up to E, and then the first node pointed by a pointer with name head here. If you are asked to delete the first node, which is A here, then we have to move the pointer head to B here. To be able to do that, then we need the help of another pointer. In this case, I use help. Help should be assigned to point the same element pointed by the head. Once the help pointed the same element pointed by the head, now we can assign the head to move to the next element, which is B in this case. We can give instruction to the head to move to the help.next, like this. Once we are in this situation, it is now safe for us to delete the help. So at first, we should tell the help to point to nothing, which is point to the null, like this. And then we can delete this node. Let's see the implementation in Java. Before we start writing the code for how to delete the first node in the singly linked list, let's see the previous code that we wrote. In the previous video, we already wrote the code for how to declare the node and then how to initialize the node. And then we also learned how to insert a node in the beginning of singly linked list, and then how to insert it in the last of singly linked list, and then how to insert it in the middle of singly linked list, as well as how to display it. Now let's write how to delete first node of singly linked list. Delete first of the node, and then we write the method. In here I use singly node, so this is the return value, and then now the name of the method, delete first. We need a pointer that point to the same element pointed by the head, so we will have to declare the help equal to head, like this. By doing like this, we tell the help to point element pointed by the head. Now it's safe for us to tell the head to point to the next node, so help.next, and then now we tell the help.next point to nothing, which is null. The one that we delete is help, so we will return help here. This program is fine so far. However, as a programmer, we have to consider what happens if the singly linked list is empty. To handle that, then we need a checking. If head equal to null, it means if our singly linked list is empty, then we have to return the null. Now let's see how it works. Previously, we insert A and then we insert A, B, C, D. So the program look like this: A, B, C, D, E, and point to the null. Now we want to delete it. System.out.println. Now let's run it. At first it display whatever it has, which is here, and then we call the delete first by also displaying the data that we want to delete. In here we want to delete A. Once we delete it, then we display it. So here the first element has been deleted. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.